So today we're starting a insulated layers hive build here. We got all the pieces cut out already, and then we'll show you how to assemble it. So this morning we were able to get some wool, so we're going to be insulating this bottom panel here with the wool we got this morning. So the glue's all down. Now time for this sheet of plywood to go over the top. And then we'll air nail it in to place. So the bottom's all done here. Now we just gotta do the sides and the top, and then I'll show you from there on out. And this is all the walls up now. They're all insulated. Starting to turn out really nice. We'll save the roof and the holes on the front here for the bees to get in, and the legs on part 2. So please like and subscribe and stay with us for part 2. Hope you enjoyed the video.